You're thinking about becoming a food delivery courier, right? Maybe you're tired of your 9 to 5, or you just want to make some extra cash. And Relay, with its promise of flexibility and decent pay, sounds pretty appealing. But let's be real, the big question on everyone's mind is, how much does Relay actually pay its couriers? I get it. You want numbers, facts, and figures. You want to know if it's worth trading your couch for a delivery bag. Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Relay courier pay. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Relay, like many other food delivery platforms, operates on a gig economy model. This means you're an independent contractor, not an employee. That has its pros and cons, but for now, let's focus on the pay. Relay claims to offer competitive rates, but what does that really mean? They mention something about hourly pay, plus tips. Sounds good, right? But is it enough to cover your gas, car maintenance, and, actually live on? We're going to break down the numbers, analyze different factors that affect your earnings, and even share some insider tips from actual Relay couriers. We'll look at how pay varies by city, time of day, and even the type of vehicle you use. But it's not just about the money, is it? We'll also discuss other perks and benefits of being a Relay courier. Things like flexibility, potential for tips, and the opportunity to explore your city like never before. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is taking forever. Just tell me how much I'll make. Trust me, we're getting there. But understanding the factors that influence your earnings is crucial if you want to maximize your potential. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's uncover the truth about Relay courier pay. It's time to separate the hype from reality. Insert engaging visuals, interviews with couriers, or data-driven graphics here. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what to expect as a Relay courier. You'll know if it's a viable option for you, and if so, how to make the most of it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.